Once upon a time, in a land where the sun never shone, lived a raven named Raven. He was a peculiar bird, with feathers as black as the endless night, and eyes that held a wisdom beyond his years. One day, Raven noticed a crystal-clear lake in the heart of the forest. Intrigued, he flew towards it, his dark silhouette contrasting the still water. As he looked into the lake, he saw his reflection for the first time. Raven was taken aback. He had never seen himself before. His reflection was just as black as him, but there was something different about it. It was lifeless, devoid of the sparkle he saw in his eyes. This revelation troubled Raven. He pondered, "What am I without the sparkle in my eyes? Am I just a mere reflection of the darkness around me?" He flew to the wisest owl in the forest, old Whiskers, and asked his question. Old Whiskers, after listening to Raven's concern, offered a profound response. "Raven," he began, "the sparkle in your eyes is not a physical attribute. It is the light you carry within, the light of wisdom, curiosity, and the will to explore. It is this light that sets you apart from your reflection." Raven returned to the lake, now understanding the truth. He saw his reflection again, but this time, he saw not just darkness, but the light within him. From then on, Raven learned to carry his light wherever he went, illuminating the darkest corners of the forest, and reminding everyone that even in the darkest times, we have the power to shine. Thus, the story of Raven serves as a reminder that within each of us lies a light, a sparkle that makes us unique. We must strive to keep this light burning, for it is what sets us apart from our reflections.